How to repost stories on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to repost stories on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you will get this type of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. And from here, tap on three lines just at the top right. From settings and privacy, you'll have to tap on archive. From archive section, you'll have to choose your old stories whom you want to repost. Simply I am selecting this one. Alright, after you open or select the stories whom you want to repost, tap on the share icon just at the bottom. And from your as usual tap on arrow icon at the bottom right. From your tap on share to repost that Instagram story from your account. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.